Hi there, I'm Brad Gilbert, the founder and CEO of Traders for Traders. Now, I know the pursuit of profits is endless and it can cost you a fortune. Well, I'm here to change the game with the Game Changer trading system. It's only $125 a month. So if you're trading one lot and you make 12 and a half pips, your monthly expenses are covered. Okay, now let me just show you what $125 gets you. It's going to blow you away. First, you're going to get access to the Trade Hub, okay, a general information hub to keep you in tune with the market. You got today's trading action video, you can see today's economic data and get a general market overview. And if you scroll down a touch, you can go through the weekly market insights and event report. Now, having a good market overview of the week ahead allows you to plan your trading week. So if you are working or you've got family activities, you'll be able to plan your trading so you don't miss out on a thing. But this is where it gets a little bit better because our Game Changer trading system allows you to put your trade plan into action whilst you are at work, while you are at family activities. And it all starts with our live signals. Now, the live signals, they isolate the best trading instruments, the pairs that are in play with clear market direction. And when you get a signal lining up with direction, you've got a cracking trading opportunity. So it's just a matter of waiting for the alert to line up with the direction and you've got a trade in play. Now that's good to know, but what about if I told you we had a trade tool that will action these plans and auto trade your entries for you? All you need to do is identify direction, which you can get from the live signals. And once you have direction, you put Primetime Pro into play, your complete trade plan will be executed at the optimum trade time. This is the core component of our Game Changer trading system. It's as simple as that. Look at the live signals, get direction, you get the alert, you put Primetime Pro into play and go to work. It's as simple as that. But to further enhance your trade selection, we've got a range of premium data for you to take advantage of, starting with the economic calendar. Now, the economic calendar has the full range of forecast, and this is the most important piece of data that you can find on any calendar. All the free calendars will not have this information. So you can drill into the calendar and highlight the high to medium events. You can choose the event types or the currencies that you're focusing on. And that's going to allow you to really drill in and focus on the key economic data releases. And the actual data itself, well, it's virtually in real time. So you can take action as soon as the data is released. Now, the next important piece of information is the interest rate tracker. This will allow you to plan your trading based off the economic data and what the impact will be. For example, if the market is expecting a US rate cut, what you need to know is how much is that factored into the market? Because that goes a long way to determining how far the market will move depending on the level of variance. If the market is largely factored in the outcome, then it's not going to move too far. If it's against the general interest rate probability of the central bank, then you're going to get a much bigger move. And this is going to allow you to trade the major currency pairs and the crosses much more efficiently. You can see who's cutting and who's on hold. For example, euro against the dollar. The US are expected to cut, the ECB are on hold. So euro should be trending higher. And that's something to focus on. Next is the macro snapshot. You can quickly get a visual of the sentiment across all instruments. Or if you're looking for specific bullish or bearish sentiment, then you can highlight those instruments or just keep it on all. So you can see where the sentiment is. And that's for indices, commodities, currency futures, and Forex pairs. Now, there's also the research tab here as well. And you can see how the major banks are reacting to the overall fundamental market. Then there's also the bank trades. Now, all of the major banks have an analyst team, and they put trades in the market based off their views and opinions. This can be a great way to cross-check your own trades against those of the major banks. But for me, the macro data is the most important. Having a look at the trending data and seeing if the data is trending or not. And then also comparing countries against each other. Making it easier to analyze the same data across different economies will allow you to trade the crosses a lot more efficiently. And this data covers all the major data from manufacturing PMI numbers to consumer confidence numbers, retail sales, and the CPI numbers. This data is going to give you the edge to really isolate the best trading opportunities. And then from here, you also get access to our upcoming coaching sessions, which are focused on current market activity to further advance your understanding of the market or how to best utilize our trade execution tools. Don't forget to take our trader profile assessment and find out what trading styles and strategies you should be using that line up with your profile. Okay, that's everything you get access to with the Trader's Edge subscription. Now, the question is, trading one lot, do you think with all of these resources, the live signals, Primetime Pro, the economic calendar, the interest rate tracker, and the macro snapshot, do you think you could make 12.5 points trading one lot? Well, that's all it's going to take to cover the cost of our service. Now, I put it to you, if you can't make 12.5 pips with these resources, you shouldn't be trading. So if you're tired of chasing losses, it's time to change the way you play the game. Our game changer trading system will do it for you. If you've got any questions, just click the link on the website and I or one of our team members will be more than happy to answer your questions. Now, the markets aren't waiting and neither should you. Click the link below and start your 7-day free trial right now. We look forward to working with you.